Welcome everyone. In this lesson we're looking at one of the most tested topics in contract law, consideration. The question is simple: if someone promises to do only what they already agreed to do, can that still count as consideration for a new promise? We'll answer this by comparing three important cases and finish with an exam technique. Explain that consideration is the exchange that makes a bargain enforceable. A simple way to remember it is something for something. If one party promises more but receives nothing new in return, the law may not enforce the new promise. Tell viewers this is the precise exam issue. Students should write this question at the start of their analysis before discussing the cases. Facts: sailors agreed to sail a ship. 2 sailors deserted. The captain promised extra wages to the remaining sailors if they completed the voyage. After arriving home, he refused to pay. The court held the sailors were already contractually bound to complete the voyage. Because they did nothing extra, they provided no fresh consideration. This is the traditional rule. Facts: a builder promised extra money to a subcontractor already under contract because delays would cost the builder more. The subcontractor continued working. The court found the builder received a practical benefit by avoiding delay and penalties. Therefore, the promise of extra payment was enforceable. Emphasize this did not abolish consideration, it recognized practical commercial benefits. Explain that Australian courts have discussed the practical benefit approach carefully. This case shows Australian courts do not automatically apply Williams v. Roffey. Instead, they examine whether the contract variation is supported by recognized principles of Australian contract law. Tell students to discuss both authorities in exams rather than assuming Williams always applies. Walk through the evolution. Stilk protects parties from being pressured for more money. Williams reflects commercial reality. Wolf reminds us Australian law approaches the issue carefully. Issue: is there valid consideration? Rule: explain Stilk then Williams and mention Wolf. Application: ask whether there was anything new or a practical benefit. Conclusion: decide whether the promise is enforceable. Finish by encouraging viewers to compare the cases rather than memorize them separately. Examiners reward students who explain why the law developed and apply the principles to the facts.